Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. The group can be used as a platform for getting your queries answered, sharing knowledge, and also talking about interesting stocks. Please go ahead and join that group by clicking on the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where Vijay Kedia's Kedia Securities Private Limited has bought 7,53,925 shares today on the National Stock Exchange at Rs 49.13. Please watch this video to know more about this company. The company in question is Tejas Networks Limited, which is available at Rs 49.35 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is TEJAS NET. Now Tejas Networks Limited engages in the provision of communication equipment. It operates through the following geographical segments, which are India, Americas and the rest of the world. The company was founded by Sanjay Nayak, Kumar N. Sivarajan and Arnab Roy in May 2000 and is headquartered in Bangalore, India. Now looking at the 1 year chart, this company was doing nothing for the majority of the year. But since then, towards the COVID period, the company had a literal nosedive. Now the market capitalization of the company is 455.67 crores, which means that this company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap. The company is not yet profitable and hence the earnings per share and the price to earnings ratio are not applicable here. It is also on this account that the return on equity is a negative 0.1975. The book value is at 116.73. which means that this company, however, is available at a very cheap price to book ratio of 0.42. The company did not pay out any dividends as it's not yet making any money, whereas the original promoters of the company do not any longer hold stake. The entry of a marquee investor like Vijay Kedia would most likely see the stock rallying tomorrow. However, it is in our interest to remain a bit cautious on this stock considering that it's still loss-making. Please join us on our free Telegram group, the link for which is present in the pinned comment, and you have a great evening ahead. Thanks for watching. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.